Click on Start icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Click here to open it. On this window, click on File, then select Run New Task. On this window, click on Browse button. Now we need to select this PC, then open C drive. Now just scroll down and open Windows folder. From here we need to open this folder, then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe. Select this and click on open. After that, simply check this box and click on OK. It will open command prompt window. So we already have a list of commands to make it easy for you, and to avoid mistakes, simply open Google Chrome, then type here google.com and hit enter. Now in the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and click here to open it. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. On this window, just scroll down and search for command number 12. So copy this command, simply click on this, right click and select copy. Now go back to command prompt window and right click on command prompt to paste and hit enter to execute it. After that, copy command number 13, go back to command prompt window, right click on black area and simply paste that and hit enter to execute it. Once done, close this command prompt window. Click on search icon and in the search bar type troubleshoot settings. Click here to open it. Then go to other troubleshooters. On this window, click on run from Windows Update. This will take some time to complete the process or to detect the problems and resolve it. Once done, close this window, and after that again go to search bar and type cmd run as administrator, select as. On this window, type these commands carefully. To avoid mistakes, you will get all these commands from the description below. Just copy them and paste on command prompt window and hit enter to execute them. Once done, close the command prompt window. Now search for Chrome and open Google Chrome web browser. Then in the search bar type .net framework and click on the first link from the search results. Now click here to download the setup file. Now start the installation process. Now close this window. Again go to search bar and type here Chrome and open Google Chrome web browser. Now search for .NET framework repair tool and click here to open it. Now click on the first link from the search results. Select language and click on download. Now install the repair tool. Check this box, click on next. Select next, and then click on finish. Once done, go to search bar, type here CMD, right click on it and select run as administrator. Now type these commands carefully. You will get all these commands in the description below. To avoid mistakes, just copy them and paste it here, and then hit enter to execute them. You can just follow my screen and hit enter. Wait for some time. Once done, close the command prompt window. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.